Welcome back to DelphStack Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create a GIF for your Discord server. What you're going to do is go to your internet browser and open Giphy. According to this channel, you can create any kind of GIF you want. First, you need to log in with your own personal account or whatever account you are using. Now click on Create, then choose Upload. What you're going to do is choose a file and select the video you want to turn into a GIF. You can trim it from here to here. I just want to make it 1 second long so it won't take too much time. It will take a few moments to upload. Now you can also edit it by drawing or adding a caption here, like I'm just adding welcome to the channel. Oops. I set just doing that on purpose. Now click on Add. You can also drag it and customize it according to your preference. You can change the color and font, then click on Continue to Upload. Now you can click on Upload. It will also take a few seconds. You can click on Copy Link, go back to your Discord, and paste it into your welcome channel. The welcome channel we created in our previous video. So this is how you can create a GIF for your Discord server. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.